strives to help the children of residents of Cabiao, Nueva Ecija have a better tomorrow by learning skills in music. Aside from developing their musical talents, their vision is to keep their members out of vices, to help them finish education through scholarship, and to offer them more opportunities of having stable jobs as they discover their gifts and be trained as dragon. They also gain confidence and discipline to do everything to the best of their abilities. As their motto says, it is dreaming the greatest dream, seeking the highest goal, that we build the brightest tomorrow.